Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an easy matte eyeshadow look that is perfect for everyday wear and work occasions. So let's get started. I have already primed my eyelid with eyeshadow primer, and I am going to be using the James Charles palette for this look, but you can totally use like pretty much any palette because we're using super neutral colors. So I'm going to start with the shade Punch Me and put that in the crease. This is just a nice, like, medium, light-toned brown. Next, I'm going to take the shade T, which is a darker brown, and pack this in the outer corner, and then blend this up into the crease. This is the darkest shade that I will be using for this look today. Any like darker brown will work for this. Next, I'm just going to take the first brush I was using before with no additional product and just blend these two shades together. Next, I'm going to take a very, very light beige shade. This is basically my skin tone, but this is just going to help clean up the lid and brighten up the lid as well. So I'm taking the shade Canvas on my finger and placing that on the lid. To blend the two shades on my lid together, I'm using the shade Punch Me, which is the one we used in our crease. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this in between those two shades. For the inner corner, I'm going to try something a little different. I'm going to try using the shade Flashback, which is a matte white shade. And I'm just going to put this in the inner corner using my finger, and then I'll blend it a bit with this finger. And this is like adding a highlight, but without glitter, so this is like an all matte look. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade T. I'm going to kind of connect it up a little bit. And of course, the last step is to apply mascara. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. I upload eyeshadow tutorials and nail art videos, and I would really love it if you would check those out. Anyways, I will see you in my next one. Bye!